Is this new clear 17 Pro Max case from CASEKOO going to be worth it for your new 17 Pro Max? Let's find out. Starting off with the back here, they definitely got the design down for the new 17 Pro Max, especially with the new camera area here. You can see that it does cover that flashlight area, especially with the lenses too, and it is going to be a popped out piece, so it's going to offer a lot more protection for the camera lenses. You also do have that MagSafe ring, so going to be compatible with any MagSafe accessories and wireless charging, and that does flip out into a kickstand too. Flip that out, you get your vertical and also your horizontal viewing as well. And with the case being clear, you have that nice transparent back, so it's gonna allow your new iPhone 17 Pro Max's color to shine right through. Really nice smooth finish and anti-slip, so gonna be great for grip overall. Coming over to the screen side, you also do get those raised edges, so it is raised a little bit to give your screen a lot more protection, especially if you do drop your phone screen side down. Buttons are nice and clicky, really snug fit. You have your camera action button right here. All the holes at the bottom are nicely lined up as well. And if you look around the perimeter of the case, you do get these airbags on each corner, so top and bottom. Those are going to be great for shock absorption, especially if you do drop your phone sideways, on the top, bottom, whatever it is. Those are actually going to absorb all the shock if you do drop your phone. So overall, if you are going for a clear case for your 17 Pro Max, would definitely recommend this one from CASEKOO. It has all the convenient features that you're going to need for daily use. Super slim, nice design, and it also is anti-yellowing as well, so it's going to keep that nice clear look. So definitely would recommend this.